Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Elisa. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support and love. Today I will be making a very easy recipe. It's omelet, spinach, mushroom, and mozzarella cheese. Part of my New Year resolution is to eat more vegetable, so that's what I'll be making today. Omelet. The ingredients that you would need for today, you would need some spinach. This is already clean already. You need some mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese, or you can use any cheese you like. And then I have here yellow onion, mushroom, black pepper, salt, and then 4 eggs. Okay, so we're going to start by cutting our onions. You only need about 1/4 of the onions, so about that much. You don't need a lot. And this is how I cut my onion. Just chop it up, Chop it up. Put it in here. Okay. And then mushroom. The mushroom you're going to slice very thin. Just like that. And then just another one. I use everything. Make sure you get very fresh mushroom and fresh spinach. Just slice it at worth, and Okay, so just put it all back in the same bowl because they're all going to be sauteed in the same pan anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, next, your egg. So I have regular white egg, and you go ahead and use fork, and you're going to crack your egg anyway you know how. Just make sure there's no shell. If there's shells, just make sure you remove it. And take a fork and just twist it until the yolk and the white all combine together very well. And I'm going to add in my, let's see, a little pinch of salt, maybe 2 pinch. Okay. Mix that. Okay, let that sit aside. Now follow me. We're gonna start cooking. So earlier I forgot to put the black pepper. So there you go, black pepper. And then just whisk it away or fork it away. Okay. Make sure you incorporate that very well. Okay, now let's start cooking our omelet. So here's my pan. I have the heat on medium. You're gonna put in your butter. You can use butter, oil, whatever you want. So let that melt. First, we're gonna, cook our veggie. Take that high. So just a little bit of butter. That's like what, half teaspoon of butter. Now you're gonna put in your, your mushroom and your onion. Give that a little bit. You cook that. Cook until the vegetables become soft. Okay, now you add in your spinach. Just about 2 cups of spinach. It's gonna go down when it's cooked. And you don't want to overcook the spinach. Just give it a few, a few toss. So you don't want to overcook the veggie because that's good enough. See? Okay, so you're gonna remove that from the heat. Same bowl. You got the same bowl. You don't want to get the liquid, okay? Because it'll make your egg soggy. So don't take the extra liquid. Okay. Now put the flap on two. Okay, now you put your thing. That onto the oil. You can add in a little bit more butter. I'm gonna add a little bit. Okay, low down your heat. Okay, low down your heat. Spread the butter all over. Okay, now we're going to add our egg. Whisk it away. Okay. You want your meat to be medium low. What you're going to do is you're gonna come this side. You want all the eggs to not be running. Okay, low. So when your egg is, no more running, now we're going to put in our cheese. Okay, you can put in our cheese. Okay. All over like that. You can use a lot of cheese. You like cheese? Okay, see the juice? You don't want the juice, okay? You want to squeeze as much juice out. So add in vegetable. Okay. There's some left. I'm not going to use all of it because you don't want to use all of it because it's going to be hard for you to fold the egg. So now I'm going to make sure. See, okay, so I'm going to fold this side like that, okay, halfway, next, turn this to the other side so I can easily flip it. See, I can flip this over. Go. You add in a little bit of cheese on top. Okay, so cover that. Okay. So now it should be done without breaking it. And then your extra vegetable, you can just put it on the side or put it on the top, or how you like it. Let's see how it tastes like. Bon appetit! Mmm. Delicious. Yummy. This is a good breakfast. Fast and easy. And healthy. Alright. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. Very easy, simple recipe. And it's good for the New Year resolution. If you're looking for healthy food that is low in carbs, this is the right recipe for you. So don't forget, leave me a comment if you have another a better way to make omelet. I would like to hear from you. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.